What's going on YouTube? We're gonna have another truth about Forex. I was inspired tonight. It's late here, late in Korea. I should be asleep right now, but I just had to make this video. It's gonna be a keep it real video. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to keep it real, raw, and uncut. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all need to hear this. You know what I'm saying? This is specifically to my team, to people who are integrated into Forex. For people that are interested in Forex, for people who have just been watching my journey through the whole truth about Forex journey. And everybody wants to be successful in this business and understand success and understand money. And they want to get the greatness out of this business. And so a lot of people are in this business and they're in the point where they like, why am I not successful? Why am I not growing? Why am I not making money trading? Why am I not making money team building? And I just want to say to this is a message for the people that are struggling with the business. It's completely on you. It is completely on you. Like you are the reason why you are not successful in this business. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. You watching this right now. If you're not successful in this business, it's your own fault. Every person that reaches out to me and like for a critique or for a better understanding, the first thing I do is I go to their social media. I go to their Instagram and see like, okay, well, how are you marketing yourself? Now, is Instagram the only way you can market yourself? Is Instagram everything? No. But Instagram is a very powerful tool, and it's a tool that everybody's on every day. And that's pretty much like the main source of marketing yourself. So is it everything? No, but I do go to the Instagram, and then I'll go see Instagram, and number one, red flag. You have nothing on your social media saying that you do Forex. You have nothing on your social media saying that you're an entrepreneur. You have nothing on your page saying that you are an investor. You have nothing on your page saying that you are part of one of the greatest organizations in the world. You have nothing on your page saying that you are a part of the biggest financial market in the world. Nothing. Like, so off top, when it comes to recruiting, and you're like, man, why nobody want to join my team? Go look at your page. That represents you. Your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, whatever it is that you on most often on social media. Because especially if you're not pushing it on social media or you're not showcasing yourself in that light on social media, you definitely ain't doing it when you're walking around day to day. The primary thing is to walk around and take ownership of your business and your entrepreneurship every day when you meet people every day in the world. So I don't know what people are doing every day in the world, but I guarantee you, if you're not doing it on social media, you definitely ain't doing it in real life. That's just kind of like common sense. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're doing it in real life, it's definitely going to reflect on your social media. But that's the number one thing. You know what I'm saying? So that's just number one. The next thing is like a lot of y'all don't take advantage of these resources. Like we got people that I have personally people that have dropped off on my team, right? They paid their money, they tried it for a couple months and dropped off. They didn't get on one opportunity call or one training call or one learning opportunity or one go live. You literally paid for these resources. You pay for the people who don't know nothing about what we do. When you join this business, you pay to become a member and you pay to be a part of the academy to learn. It's a learning academy. So it's equivalent to you going to school and paying the tuition and not going to class and then complaining like, damn, USC is a trash school. Like, they didn't teach me nothing. Did you go to class? Did you have study groups? Did you really go? Did you go at all? So it's amazing that people will literally spend money on this business and not even get on a call, not even integrate with a team, not even reach out to everybody, but like, hey, I need help with this. I don't understand this. Like, it's amazing. So I just want to say, like, you are the reason why you're not successful in this business. If you haven't got one person signed up in this business, it's because they don't believe in you. I want you to feel that right now. If you're watching this, especially for my team, if you haven't got a sign up, it's because they don't believe in you. They don't believe in you because of how you display yourself on social media. They don't believe you because how you walk and talk every day. They don't believe in you because they don't believe in you. They don't look at you as a business person. They don't look at you as somebody that can lead them to millions of dollars. You join this business, and for the people who have not joined this business that are watching this, you're going to join my team because you believe in me. Strictly off my confidence, my assertiveness, my social media, my rapport with people, my results. So if you ain't got nobody on your team, what do you have to showcase? The reason why my first wave of people came is because they believed in me because I've always been an entrepreneur. Now everybody doesn't have that. Everybody doesn't have that benefit of always being an entrepreneur. But if this is your first opportunity, this is the way you come and show your ass, show off, show the world that you're the greatest entrepreneur on earth. You can't tippy toe with this business. You can't tippy toe with no business. And when I say tippy toe, is being timid and waiting and being like, well, I don't know, so I can't tell people. People do that all the time. Every single person that's coming to this business, there's a couple words that they say that I just know they're gonna fail. I'm gonna keep it raw and uncut. This is raw and uncut for y'all. When you say these things to me, I just know you're gonna fail. You literally putting it into the universe and saying, I'm going to fail. When you say these words, they're equivalent to I'm going to fail. I don't want a team build. You're gonna fail. Sorry. I don't want to be a leader. You're gonna fail. Sorry. I only want to. I'm only going to. You're gonna fail. When you say those words to me, you're gonna fail. And unfortunately, like 90% of the people come through this business and say these things like, I only want to trade. You're gonna fail. You can only want to trade. That's cool. But take this as a challenge. Like the only way you grow is by challenging yourself. The only way you become the best trader also is by getting people integrated in what you're doing. When you trade in your little box and on your own, you can be a great trader, I guess, or learn how to trade. But me personally, my trading has gotten exponentially better because I have a team that keeps me accountable for my trading at this point. I talk to people about trading. I'm open about trading. I help people with trading. I give tips on trading. Like I'm integrated in the entire world of trading. I'm not just watching my classes and staying in my box. You know what I'm saying? The way you grow exponentially with trading is by being integrated in the entire trading world, and that includes team building as well. When you get a couple people on your team, now they're asking you like, well, what's a pip? Well, what's the stop loss? Well, how do you download MetaTrader 4? Well, what's Hugo's way? And you're repeatedly getting into this mode of helping and learning and helping and learning and helping and learning, and it's applying a subconscious pressure to you for you to be great, for you to be a great trader. And on top of that, the people that get on your team actually might help you trade. So yes, you can trade on your own and make millions of dollars. But when you put people on your team and you have that accountability and responsibility, they might get great at trading before you, and then they can help you, and you already have a relationship with them. Or they might have a strategy or that one little nugget that you didn't quite understand when you went through the academy. And now they're like, oh, did you know about that? I'm like, damn, I didn't know about that. So when it comes to team building, it's just another resource to be great. It's another way to apply pressure and accountability. And when it comes to business, you want every single angle you can get. When you come into this business and say, I only want to do this, it's literally 100% of resources for you to be great. It's 100 ways for you to become a millionaire. When you come into business and say, I only want to, now it's 75. And then it's like, oh, well, I don't want a team build. Well, now it's 50. Or, well, I only want to, or now it's 25. So you're paying for a resource that can pay you $1 million or unlimited amount of money. And it's 100% worth first for resources, and you just declined 60, 70, 80, 90% of the resources because you told us something that you don't want to do. I don't want to host a call. I don't want to talk to people. Okay, look at your results. If you're watching this right now, you don't have this goes for everybody in the Forex trading world. I hope everybody watches this. I'm going to blast this out to everybody. If you're in MMO or if you're in the trading community and you don't got the results that you want, sit back and think about all the things that you said you didn't want to do. Are you doing what the successful people do? Like my mentor, I'm going to use this as an example. My mentor is Rhonda, right? Rhonda is the hardest working person I know. She's the most efficient person I know. She's the most organized person I know. She does the most calls that I know. She does the most team building exercises that I know. She has the most trading experience that I know. She has the most patience that I know. I've never seen her get mad, even though she is putting this whole team on her entire back. I can't complain about my results until I do what she does or greater. I want y'all to feel like I want you to do whatever the hell your mentor is doing or greater. And I guarantee you we won't be having the same conversation. You know what the conversations me and Rhonda have? I got too many people, and I need to be more efficient and organizing my people and how I can connect with my people better and make my people rank up. That's the conversations we have. Not I'm not making enough money. Me and Rhonda never had that conversation. Like I don't have enough people on my team, and I'm not doing well enough. Never had that conversation. The conversation is how do we reorganize this team to make it more efficient? How do I get my people ranked up faster? How do I keep my people motivated? And how do I organize my organization and operation? Not Rhonda, I'm not doing good. I'm not signing up enough people. I'm not doing good trading. I ain't gonna lie, we had the conversation about me not doing good trading, and she told me exactly what I need to do. And I know exactly what I need to do. I'm not down on the company. The company didn't do nothing wrong. It's me and my discipline and my trading strategy. That's completely on me. So I want you all to hold yourself to a higher accountability. And don't tell me what you don't want to do. If you don't want to do it, don't be a part of this business. Go work your job. Go to your job. Go. It's crazy. Go to your job and tell your boss that you don't want to do something. Then you're fired. Then you're written up. And now you're sitting at home trying to figure life out. Like y'all gotta really flip y'all perspective on how things work. Like if you want to be a part of the 1% of people that make all the money in the world, or the 95% or whatever. I mean, yeah, the 1%. 1% of people make 95% of the income. You gotta flip your perspective. You gotta get out of this weak-minded perspective and just know the people that are being great in the world are the hardest workers. They're the most motivated. They're the most focused. They're the ones that get out their comfort zone the most. Do you think it's comfortable for me to be on YouTube? Go look at my YouTube. Go look at my past videos. Look at all the videos that I have. I look real comfortable, right? Do you know I have a extreme camera shyness, and I was supposed to make a YouTube like 10 years ago, and I'm literally just now getting over my fears to talk to people on camera. Like literally now, because of this business forced me out of my comfort zone. My mentor Rhonda challenged me. She put me in a special group of leaders and challenged me to make a certain amount of YouTubes every week. And I'm like, fuck, I gotta make 3, 4, 5 YouTubes a week. I didn't make 5 YouTubes in 5 years. But guess what? I stepped my game up to do it. And guess what? I'm getting the results. And I don't have those weak ass conversations. Oh, Rhonda, man, it's not working for me. I'm tired of having these weak ass conversations with these weak minded people. At this point, it's either you want to attack this business and take it to the next level, or you don't. And if you don't, just quit, because it ain't for you. You're wasting your money. It's just me keeping it raw and uncut. I would rather move with 1, 2, 3, 4 bosses that really want to get out of their comfort zone and move like a leader and move like an elite person with an elite mindset than a bunch of I don't think I could. I mean, we give you all the resources to keep you motivated, but you can only motivate a person so much till they got to motivate themselves. And from a business perspective, if you're watching this, give me 3 beasts versus 300. I don't want to people. I think I could. I don't want dumb people. Even if you're my friends, I'm sorry. Hey, we keeping it real, man. Because at the end of the day, I'm out to get millions, and I gotta move with the beasts and the boss. I'm down to help people the best way I can, but you can only help people so much until it starts to diminish your greatness. And I'm moving with the great people. The great people are right here, right in my face. You know what I'm saying? Cash the Great, Matt Rosa, Vic Marie, Rhonda, Ellie, the bosses. You know what I'm saying? The people that are really taking this on and taking these challenges and being great. And if you're watching this and you one of them, I don't want to people, you got to reevaluate yourself and see what you really want to do. If Forex ain't what you really want to do, stop wasting your money. Just stop wasting your money. You're wasting your money if you don't come and take this on 1,000%. Stop wasting your money. And if you leave my team in D rank, it's okay. We can still be friends. We can still be cool. We can still be cordial. I actually got some other business things in line that you can still hop on, you know. And if this turns you off of me and you just don't want to deal with me no more, that's cool. I'll just go be rich without you. And that's my new perspective. Like, I'm doing good. I'm doing good financially. I'm doing good spiritually. I'm just doing good in life. And a part of me doing good is not dragging people along anymore. So I'm saying all that to say, hey, y'all got all the resources take this business full on. All y'all I don't want it people, you're not gonna be successful. So just quit. If this offends you, just quit. I mean, I can play the nice guy role all the time and be this happy-go-lucky guy, and that's cool. I can definitely give you that side, but I'm gonna start giving you the other side so you can have the realism of what the hell is going on. Like, you're gonna have to work your ass off if you want to be great at anything. It is another thing before I get off. Like, a lot of people, we got other things going on. Like, I got other entrepreneurships got going on other than Forex. I got the military going on, of course. That's my priority. That takes up most of my time. I got a family, you know what I'm saying? I got relationships. I got different things going on outside of Forex. But when it comes to like money making and business, I don't have another business where I can make $100,000 in a year. So this gives priority. Do I do a podcast? Yes. Do I got other organizations that I'm connected to? Yes. Do I do photography? Do I do videos? Do I do other creative things? Yes. But from a business standpoint, business is about making money. You want to make money to get resources to continue to build. I got all this other stuff that I like to do. Like, I enjoy doing photography. I don't have a plan on photography making me $100,000 plus in a year. Forex can make me $100,000 a month in a year, $100,000 a year. My team building aspect, I can rank up, you know what I'm saying, to chairman 10 and make $10,000 a month. Like, these are real numbers and real things. So therefore, Forex takes priority over those things. Do I got things that I like doing? Yes, but how much are those things paying you? So if you got something else going on in the business, like, really sit back and reevaluate. Like, okay, I'm an artist, and this is not to anybody particularly. I'm just throwing this out there because we have artists and people like to be creative and make music or whatnot. I'm an artist. My artistry makes me $1,000 a year. Okay, that's awesome. Your songs generate that much money. That's great. Um, what's your cap? What's your $100,000 plan?